Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll continue previous year problems from periodic classification. The question is the formation of the oxide ion O2 minus from oxygen atom requires first an exothermic and then an endothermic step as shown below. So they have given two processes. Thus, process of formation of oxygen 2 minus in gas phase is unfavorable even though O2 minus is isoelectronic with neon. It is due to the fact that they have given four options. So we know to convert oxygen as uni negative ion we have to add one electron. So that is nothing but electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. So to add one electron, O minus ion formation takes place. For this reaction, minus 141 kilojoule per mole energy is going to release, whereas for this process we required 780 kilojoule per mole energy. And which of the following option is correct, they are telling. Yes, O minus ion has comparatively smaller size than oxygen atom. We know that negative ion always will have large size than its neutral atom. So this is a fact. Negative ion size always greater than neutral atom size. So option A is wrong. Let us discuss option B. Oxygen is more electronegative. Electronegativity of oxygen does not influence the formation of O2 in gaseous phase. So option B also wrong. Let us discuss option C. Addition of an electron in oxygen results in larger size of the ion. So if you add electron to this O minus, if we add electron to this O minus, this electron is going to add it to the same valence shell of this O minus. So there is no increase in the size, right? So even third option is not correct. Let us discuss fourth one. Electron repulsion outweighs the stability gained by achieving noble gas electronic configuration. So here when we added electron to this O minus to form O2 minus, there are large inter-electronic repulsions already existing in this O minus ion. If we add one more extra electron, there will be more repulsions which makes this O2 formation unfavors. That's why electron repulsion outweighs the stability gained by achieving noble gas configuration will be the correct option. Let us discuss this question. Which of the following represents the correct order of increasing atomic radii is? They have given four options. If you observe these all four options, they have given four elements. They are magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, chlorine. To solve this question, you should have idea of existence of these elements in periodic table. So I am trying to arranging the given elements here according to periodic table. So magnesium will be present in third period. Similarly, if we take this calcium is existing below magnesium, and in the same period of magnesium we are having phosphorus and chlorine. We know that in period from left to right atomic radii is going to decrease, whereas in groups from top to bottom atomic radii is going to increase. So according to this trend, we can easily identify that calcium will be having a large atomic radii, followed by magnesium, followed by phosphorus, followed by chlorine. So which of the given options are correct? B option is correct. Right, let us discuss one more. Which of the following represents the correct order of increasing electron gain enthalpy with a negative sign for the elements oxygen, sulfur, fluorine and chlorine? We know that among all periodic table elements, chlorine having high electron gain enthalpy, or we can say that high electron affinity. So chlorine will come first in the order, right? Electron affinity in period from left to right it is increasing, whereas in groups from top to bottom it is decreasing. But it is interestingly known second period elements electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity, and if you compare third period elements electron affinity, this third period elements are having slightly higher electron affinity values when compared with this second period elements. This is just because of very small size of second period elements when compared with this third period elements. So that's why, so Cl is having high electron affinity. After Cl, in given option we have fluorine. After fluorine we have oxygen and sulfur. These two belongs to same group, and this oxygen is present in second period, whereas this sulfur is present at third period. So just now I told that third period elements are having slightly high electron affinity values when compared with second period elements. Because of this fact, this sulfur will come before oxygen. This is the order. Option B is correct. Let us discuss this question. Which of the following order is wrong? They have given 4 options, and first one is acidic order they have given. We know that acidity of hydrides of non-metals will be increases with molecular weight. So due to that fact, this option A is correct. And if you observe option B, here they have given the order of first ionization potential. So from left to right, generally this ionization potential will be increases, but when we are having half filled electronic configuration or completely filled electronic configuration, there will be slight exceptions. So due to that, here if we have observed beryllium and boron, electronic configuration of beryllium and boron will be 1s2 and 2s2. If you observe this boron, it will have 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. In case of this beryllium, we have completely filled s orbital in valence shell, whereas in boron we have one extra electron in p orbital. If this loses this electron, it comes to have beryllium electronic configuration, and it will be having completely filled s orbital in its valence shell. So we can remove this electron very easily when compared with this s electrons of beryllium. So beryllium is having high first ionization enthalpy when compared with boron. So the correct order is lithium is less than, boron is less than, beryllium is less than carbon. So this is the correct option, and let us discuss the remaining two also. Yes, this Al2O3 is a amphoteric oxide, and this is a basic oxide, this is a basic oxide, this is the basic oxide. We know that from left to right in a period, basicity will be decreases. When size is large, generally basicity is more. That's why group 1 oxides having more basicity when compared with group 2 oxides. So because of this fact, this magnesium oxide is having less basicity when compared with sodium oxide as well as K2O, potassium oxide. And last option, lithium plus is greater than, Na plus is greater than, K plus is greater than, cesium plus. This is ionic radius from top to bottom. In a group, ionic radius will be increases. Let us discuss one more. Sequence of acidic character is, and they have given 4 options. Here N2O5 they have given, and SO2 they have given, CO2 and CO. We know that these all are oxides of non-metals. Generally oxides of non-metals will show acidic character. Here central atom will be nitrogen, here central atom will be sulfur, here central atom will be carbon, and here also carbon. Now the electronegativity of nitrogen is greater than sulfur and carbon. So more the electronegativity of central atom, more will be its acidity. That's why this N2O5 having more acidic character, followed by the sulfur is existing beside the group of this nitrogen and in downwards. So here oxygen will be present, and here phosphorus will be present. So across the period, acidity is decreasing here. That's why first N2O5 will be having more acidic character, followed by SO2, and next CO2 and CO. This is correct answer. Let us discuss one more. In the long form of the periodic table, the valence shell electronic configuration of 5s2 5p4 corresponds to the element present in. When they have given questions like this, we need to observe electronic configuration carefully. Here clearly they have given this is valence shell electronic configuration. In valence shell we have 6 electrons. In valence shell we have 6 electrons, and this element belongs to p block. So 6 electrons and p block, this indicates 16th group. So this element belongs to 16th group, and here what is the principal quantum number? 5. So principal quantum number is equals to number of period. So this element belongs to period 5. So what is the correct option? Group number 16 and period 5 will be the correct option. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.